So I apologize about the angle. You're probably not going to see much of my face today. I got the camera. I'm here by myself, and I'm going to be doing an inspection on a split, and then a little bit after that I'll be doing an inspection on a package colony that I started up. So with no further ado, let's open this up, and hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit better more about what I'm doing when I'm down into the hive. So first thing here, so I'm lifting off the lid. That's called a telescoping lid. And then in here I got my box. A lot of ants in here. Interesting, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna take that off. Next time I come out here, you see all the ants. I'm going to come out here with a torch. I'll get rid of all that paper, and then I'm going to lightly go over the top of this box with the torch and kill the ants. Bees aren't particularly worried about ants. I don't like them. Bees don't give a shit. Don't care. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do, you'll see here, is I'm gonna pop the lid here. Just have a little space on that. And then I'm gonna take the smoker. You'll see that. Lift up that lid just a little bit. Give that some smoke inside there. I put that lid back down. What that'll do is that'll take the bees that are up on top up here, push them back down into the box, into the hive. All right, so it should be good enough. I'm gonna take this off. You see the bees on there, the bird comb. Set this aside. You see the smoke just kind of puts them back down into the hive. I'm gonna scrape some of this stuff off right now. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but there's a lot of bees in here. So, as in any inspection that you're going to do, you're going to want to give yourself some space first. You're going to accomplish this by pulling out one of the end frames, either that end or this end. It's up to you. I see a lot less bees over on this side, so I'm less likely to have the queen and stuff over on this side, so I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna pull that frame up. You'll see there really isn't anything on there. So we'll set that frame aside. So it's the same thing. This was a split, an emergency split from one of my really strong hives. So what I'm doing in here, just like yesterday when I was out here doing the startup inspections on the startups, I'm looking for signs of the queen. I'm not necessarily looking for the queen, but I'm looking for signs of her successful release, which would be brood, cap brood, eggs, Um, and, you know, population increase too. But larvae, eggs, larvae, and brood. So let's pull up this first frame here. See what we got. Got some old bee bread in here. We got bees cleaning out frames. So she's definitely moving over. We got nothing on this end here. I'm just gonna put that back and roll that off to the back here. Not really too much on this one either. If you look, it's an old frame. They're busy. They're cleaning it right now. And same over here on this side. They're cleaning that side. They're up cleaning that side. So they're moving around in there. Get a little more smoke here. All right. So you got a lot more bees on this frame here. I'm gonna come down here. On the front of this frame at least. Backside is still empty. Alright, so on this frame here, they are starting to cap a little bit of honey, but there's nectar in that. You can see all that. Of course, the backside is nothing there. Now, if my queen is in here, she's probably going to be on these next couple of frames. Let's get rid of that. Alright. So I got the bees are sitting there cleaning. There's a lot of, well, this one's got a little bit of weight to it. Okay, so we got on this one here, I've got pollen. There's pollen in this one. Honey up in the corner, pollen. There's pollen down in here. Honey up in the corner up here. More honey here, honey there. Got a couple of queen cups here. You look here, a couple of queen cups. Those are just emergencies in case they lose the queen and they have to make a new queen. There's no caps on them. You can see. So really, when you see a queen cup like that, you really don't have anything to worry about. Nothing really on this one either, so just that. In the hive I split this off of it, they were a little bit of an aggressive hive. So I might have some bees flying around me, no big deal. Let's break this one over now. It's kind of light. Got some drone brood. Okay, I see larvae on this one. I got some cap brood. I just have a really a feeling about this frame having the, there she is. Queen is right here. She's right there moving. Okay. So I'm gonna carefully put that back. So I don't wanna roll these queens or anything like that. So I'm gonna put that back in there. Okay, on this particular frame, Nectar. A lot of larvae in this one, a lot of larvae. I don't know how that's going to show up if you look in there. This frame here is just, it's all larvae. So, she has been laying. That larvae is probably maybe 3 to 6 days old. It's not capped yet. And on the back side here too, it's all larvae too. So, and they got some honey. They're building some honey up, and if you look right in here. So that frame is just about all larvae. Let's see what we got here. This will probably be the last frame I pull. I'm hoping that I would see a little bit more capped brood than what I saw. All right, this is Nectar. Okay. So basically, I got a couple frames of probably larvae. On this one. We'll put everything back the way it was. Queen is out. She's wandering around. What I'm doing here is I'm just getting rid of some of the comb. Make this frames go back a little easier. It is a little kind of important on these younger hives there to make sure that you put the frames back in the order that you found them. Back in there. Excuse me. They still got a half a jar of feed on there. I'm not too worried about the feed at this point. And honestly, that's really about it, guys. Put the telescoping lid back on and that's it. So it looks like this is a split off one of my strong hives. The queen is out, she's laying, I got a larva, I got eggs. So this hive is taken off pretty well. And probably here in the next 10 to 14 days, this hive is just going, I'm gonna be seeing a lot more activity out of it, a lot more bees flying from it, a lot more foraging. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk at you later.